President Emerson Mnangagwa's unilateral decision to confer national hero status on his relative and ZESA Holdings executive chairperson, Sidney Gata, has triggered a division within ZANU-PF, with the party insiders accusing him of bypassing established procedures. Sadavana Mashokobda Pangwa Ino Achenzi. Gata's hero status divides ZANU-PF. Don't subscribe while I got on the bell icon. Gata, who died in Harare on Thursday after a short illness at the age of 79, was declared a national hero without a customary deliberations of the ZANU-PF Politburo. Insiders have reviewed. In quotes, there was no Politburo discussion after Gata's death. We were shocked to learn through the media that he had been declared a national hero, said a senior party official at the ZANU-PF headquarters. In quotes, this is a serious breach of party procedure by the president and his close allies, who seem to have hijacked the party's revolutionary and people-centered mandate, the source added. Party spokesperson Christopher Mchangwa could not be reached for comment. Gata, originally from the Mutema communal lands in Chipinge under Chief Mutema, was widely regarded as a powerful technocrat with deep political connections. Married to Mnangagwa's second wife, Gata is believed to have leveraged this relationship to exert signal influence within government and party structures. He held several prominent positions during his career, serving as CEO of ZESA in the 1990s and since the 1980s and 1990s, returning as executive chairperson in 2019 and holding international advisor role in the energy sector. However, his professional legacy was marred by serious allegations of corruption, nepotism, and abuse of office. Under his leadership, Zimbabwe's electricity crisis worsened, plagued by frequent power cuts, ballooning debt, and deteriorating infrastructure, while Gata reportedly enjoyed a life of luxury and remained insulated from accountability. Thomas Kwarukuda Pangwa ine vanhu panoka kuti ZANU-PF vanhu vopisa musoro after vanhu Gata declare a national hero status, but panguva ino kunoonekwa kunzi zvakanga zvisina kuva clear, even vana Mutsvangwa vakada kumboricha for comments havana kuwanikwa, but panguva ino zvakaraisa questions. The worst part of the situation kuri kunoonekwa kunzi Gata is the CEO and executive director panguva ino kunoonekwa kunzi paperiod yavo kuonekwa kunzi vanhu vakararama aiwa vari ngori pablackouts, and ZESA it operated mumadebts under his leadership. Imbotidze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinai comment section medu mafunguro enyu, musasubscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.